What if the most iconic van in history came back in 2026, but this time with luxury, technology, and a design that could stop traffic anywhere? This is the Volkswagen Samba Bus T1 reborn. And trust me, this is not just nostalgia. This is a complete transformation. From surfers in the 60s to collectors paying insane prices today, the Samba Bus has always been more than a vehicle. It's a symbol of freedom. And now, it's been reimagined into something that feels both timeless and futuristic at the same time. Let's start right here. The face of the legend. That unmistakable V-shaped front fascia is still here, wrapped in a stunning two-tone mango green and seagull gray finish that instantly screams classic Volkswagen. Front and center, the oversized VW emblem, bold, proud, and impossible to ignore. But here's where things get interesting. The iconic round headlights, they've evolved. Now featuring modern LED halos and projector elements, giving the van a sharper, more premium presence, especially under bright daylight. And the chrome bumper, still there, but cleaner, more refined, like a perfectly restored classic, with a modern twist. Now step to the side, and this is where the Samba Bus truly tells its story. That long, boxy silhouette remains untouched, because honestly, it's perfect. But what makes this version special is the detail. You get the legendary multi-window layout, signature roof, skylight panels, clean horizontal proportions that feel both vintage and architectural, and then subtle upgrades. Thin red accent lines running across the body, deep glossy paint reflections, modernized wheels that elevate the entire stance. It's no longer just a van. It looks like a rolling piece of art parked in front of a luxury modern house. At the rear, things stay simple, but smarter. The design is still flat, still classic, but now enhanced with slim LED taillights, cleaner panel finishing, refined chrome bumper detailing. It's minimal, but premium. And honestly, that's exactly what this car needed. Now this is where the magic really happens. Step inside, and suddenly you're not in a van anymore. You're in a luxury retro lounge. The cabin is finished in a beautiful cream and green combination, perfectly matching the exterior. You still get a thin classic-style steering wheel, vintage-inspired dashboard layout, simple analog design language. But then, modern life kicks in. A clean infotainment display, updated controls, premium stitched seating that looks and feels high-end. And let's not forget the panoramic roof windows, flooding the entire cabin with natural light. This isn't just about driving, this is about experience. Now, let's talk performance. Back in the day, the Samba Bus wasn't fast. Not even close. A small air-cooled engine, barely pushing over 40 horsepower. But this is 2026, so expect something completely different. A refined flat 4 or hybrid system, smoother acceleration, better torquey bump for daily usability, and possibly even an electrified version. Still rear-driven, still true to its DNA, but finally, modern enough to keep up with today's roads. Now the big question, how much would this cost? If Volkswagen actually builds this, expect it to land somewhere around $50,000 to $70,000 US. Not cheap. But this isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement piece, a collector's dream, a lifestyle icon. Because cars like this, they're not about speed, they're not about specs, they're about how they make you feel. And this This makes you feel something special. So, would you choose this modern Samba Bus? Or stick with the original classic? Let me know in the comments. And if you love content like this, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Because trust me, we're just getting started.